Welcome to my channel once again. I hope you have enjoyed the numbers, data that I've been giving out on YouTube. My channel is Espacio Extradimensional Serna. I hope you like it. This time we're gonna see what is the flower of life. This is the seed of life. That you find it here in Calvillo too, up in the santuarios. This is the flower of life. If you see it close to it, you may see 42 petals if you count them, each one. There are some bigger than other ones, but take in account this size right here and this side, okay? All of them are 42. 42 places, 42 petals in the flower of life. 42 makes nice numbers all over the universe. DNA and who knows what else, maybe all. Maybe it's the way it is light, enclosed light. This is not broken light. It's a system not broken. When it breaks, you will see 7 colors. In here, there are 3 hexagonals. If you can see here, it's a red one, yellow one, blue one, and inside here, by these asterisks, you form the 4th, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th is made by 3, red, yellow, and blue. Blue encircles white. These 3 make white. White is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Violet and yellow stand for neutral, okay? This same flower, you find it in here, okay? 7 times. 1 inside and 6 outside, okay? See the red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Now we have a system multiplied or added another 6 to make this way of entanglement on the universe, okay? Seen as DNA. This is a figure of DNA in YouTube that you find it in diffraction of DNA. Photos by diffraction of DNA. It's something like that I found it, okay? It's in my book though. Right now I got lost a little, but it's in there, okay? In YouTube. This photo was taken by crystallography, X-ray for Bahia. This is DNA, and what you see here at the center of each petal is something like when the sun has explosions in it, inside. Same figure appears. If you look closely to those expansions or explosions of the sun, you will see this figure at the center of each petal. Those are the ways that numerical order follows from one up, one down, one up, one down, okay? We'll see it in a moment. So this is the inside circle that I call inside the circle. And these 2 make the outside circle, okay? The inside is somehow half of the outside and dimensions, okay? Like gravity has 26 around meters, all added, and the rocky ones have 52 around, taking metric, okay? All of the numbers and all the numbers that I will give, all of them are metric, to make sense, not otherwise. Okay. DNA, one flower of life, plus 6 around, makes 7 flowers of life. Taken by photo of DNA, okay? Now, what we're gonna see is the order of how these 7 circles are numbered. To see it first, we have to look at the inside circle, okay? The one that is made by the others, okay? Right here. We begin, this is neutral, okay? Up is north and down is south. Okay. Now, if you look in the inside flower life, on the neutral, on top, north, this petal belongs number 1. Next, on the bottom, crossing neutral, belongs number 2. Number 3, and the next on top of 1, and you pass again down, south side, belongs 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Jump inside, 13, go down, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 you stand on neutral, yellow side, okay? Go to the inside. Next, it's after 30 is 31, bottom is 32, up 33, 34, 36, and 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, neutral, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 42 places, 42 petals make one flower of life. Okay? This is one description of the inside. And as the inside circle moves, that is made of the outside, all of them, the outside, will move. Okay? So the numbers will change as it moves. If it would be dented, so we can crank it to move it, to run it, to speed it, to go around. All of them synchronized at first in this position. All of them will give same as crossed. 8 plus 5, 13. 7 plus 6, 13. 9 plus 4, 13. 11 plus 2, 13. 12 plus 1, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. 8 plus 5, 13. 6 plus 7, 13. Okay? All of them work that way. Because the inside, all of them crossing by the center, okay? Same as inside. 12 plus 1, 13. 10 plus 3, 8 plus 5, 6 plus 7, 4 plus 9, 11 plus 2, and 12 plus 1, okay? All of them give 13, all of them crossing by the center of the middle one center, the inside circle I call it. All of them are this way, okay? If you add the yellow ones, all of them give you 43. And I'll tell you in a second what the others give you, okay? Let's go again to what I said already. Flower of life or DNA. Flower of life or DNA is made by 42 petals. It is represented by 7 circles, round figures. 6 of them are around the middle one, the inside circle, and the out edges make the out circle. This figure has north, south, and neutral, okay? Neutral. That has the positive, the neutral has positive, has negative. That don't mix, well, just a bit, to inform the system and keep its levels of temperature or whatever is needed there, okay? There are 4 jumps or 4 levels, 4 orbits, okay? Each one represents a color, as we saw it already. Red, yellow, blue, and white, the inside, okay? There are 4 jumps, 4 orbits. White is the union of the 6, as I already said. Neutral has pairs and not pairs, okay? Neutral has pairs and not pairs. Top, up, not pairs. Bottom side are not are pairs, okay? Are pairs. Bottom side pairs, upside side, not pairs. All the pairs are jointed each other on top, creating negative charge on top. Negative non-pairs, okay? Represent the female and somehow. Same thing happens to the south, but produces positive charges because all of the bottom are pairs, all of them are positive, okay? Represent top, negative represent lady and positive represent men, okay? Anyhow, is the form of the life. Always negatives are one side and positives are the other. As seen here, okay? But all of them entangle across by the center. All of them in all colors, in red and yellow and blue and in white. It is the same. All crossed by the center. We're seeing a system, let's say, the center of a galaxy. This is the center of a galaxy, and the around ones are the one that make the one inside. That can grow exponentially by 10, like 10, 100,000, 10,000, a million, and so forth, okay? We may do that. The universe does it to me, as it does here. It is up to you if you want to believe it or you think it's real. This is real, okay? This might be real too, I don't know when. See how all the points cross by the center, see? There are 32 rays. 32, it's a number, it's a good number. It relates to a picture of a great man, Tesla. Tesla has a picture sitting face in front with a book on your legs and a chair, and kind of thinking attitude. and you may see the 32 rays that relates to the Aztec calendars. It's about the same, okay? A different form, but might have all the numbers that you will find in here as well. Let's see what we didn't say. We said red is 13. All of them are the same. Yellow are 43, blues are 67, you got it. And white, I didn't write it down, it's 79, okay? White is 79. So red is 13, yellow are 43, blue is 67, and white is 79, okay? This is the outside, inside figure. Outside because we began at the out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we go to the in, okay? Outside to the inside. There is an opposite pair of this flower, of this diagram. And I didn't write the numbers to give it to you, but you can look at it, get close to it, and you may see the numbers. I don't get it too well, but white, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 and 2, 7, 3 and 4, 7. 12 and 7, 19, 11 and 9, 19, 9 and 10, 11, 7 and 12, 19. Okay, I had to do math, I don't have I cannot even do that, okay? Well, I might, okay? 2 and 1, 3, 3 and 4, 7, 73. Okay, let's look, 1 and 2, 5, 73. Yeah, it's 73, okay? Red are 73. Yellow, let's see yellow. Yellow is 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. And, okay, take a look so we won't waste time. It is the same, all of them are 43. I forgot, now I got it. Yellow are 43, all of them, okay? And it is the opposite of this flower. It begins inside, it ends on 42, it begins on 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump out to 7, next number, not pair. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 13, 13 right here, excuse me. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, keep on till 42, okay? And you have the numbers there. And it is the way it is synchronized to run it, crank it, speed it, and as all this can make the white, the white goes, so all the outside will go. I think this kills black matter, dark matter, or energy, something like that, black holes, a lot of stuff. Black holes because or stars colliding, not possible because the numbers on top are all same charge. Numbers on bottom are all same charge, okay? There is not a possibility that one star will collide with another star. It follows atomic weight. Red lightest, yellow next deeper, blue to the deeper, and the most of all is white, the made of the three, okay? Well, that's what I think of it. There are 6 flowers, okay? This is one pair. There is another pair and there is another pair. I think one is for hydrogen, One is for helios and one is for lithium. Even the small one divides the big one. To me, all of them work well, all of them make sense. If you add to the numbers, it is the same on these numbers and these numbers. If you add these numbers, these numbers, and these numbers, each line gives you same number, okay? Gives you same number. What can I say? What can I say is that the space doesn't work this way. This with this one, or maybe this was with this one, or with this one, or like that, you know. Maybe space is not like Leonardo's kind of says it in this program, ER equals EPR, or what's behind the horizon of black holes. Same figure, goes to the center, all of the entangled numbers, pairs, independently in each orbit, all of them give you one number when added, and all of them cross one point. Everything I don't see it here. I don't see a number, I don't see relation. It is plain. It is plain. Could be crossed, but not this one with this one. Think that it happens to me. It is. 9 and 4, 7 and 6, 5 and 8, all of them cross by a center, give a coincidence of number as you jump from one to another, as you go to the in, or as you go from the in to the out. There are 6 pairs, and to me space will never work this way. To me, but you can prove it to me that it does. It might, but you have to prove it. I don't see numbers, I don't see something reliable where I can at least believe. This is real, it's not a belief. Numbers fit, colors fit, color is small. This might be a star. There is one. I'll show it to you in some other video. I didn't put it. It is rotten, and I don't have a time to stick it together, okay? So this is how it works, okay? Come and visit us in Calvillo, Aguascalientes, México. 5 de mayo 523, letra A. I said it in Spanish. I'm gonna say it in English. 5 of May, 103, going west-east, something like that. I'm not good on that. Maybe I'm not good at admitting that. But you tell me what you think, and you like it, well, you know what you have to do. Thanks. By a center, okay? Always. Otherwise, there is no sense to me. But could be wrong, you don't know.